Ooh, it's cold. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Steffi, aka In My Humble Opinion, and welcome to a travel vlog. I'm here in Austria. It took us so long to get here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But we're finally here, so yay! If you look off into the distance there, you could see some snow. Can I zoom in? Oh, that's good. Okay, you could see some snow in the mountains. It smells like nature here. Okay, so now we're gonna be getting on the bus, beginning the official tour. Here we go.
Coming on Christmas, they're cutting down trees, they're putting up reindeers, singing songs of joy and peace. So I wish I had a river I could skate away on, but it don't snow here, it stays pretty green. I'm gonna make a lot of money, then I'm gonna quit this crazy scene. Oh, I wish I had a river I could skate away on. I wish I had a river so long I would teach my feet to fly. I wish I had a river I could skate away on. I made my baby cry.
It's Heilbronn Palace. Now, basically that's where they did the lily pond scene. They've actually got an area for the sound of music as well.
Oh, Captain, you're home!
The DVD that you watched yesterday, myself and Sarah had one before that, and it got scratched, and so we did the Sound of Music tour. So I joked, and I said to the group, I said, guess what DVD we're going to have on tomorrow? They all said Sound of Music. I went, no, Mamma Mia. So they all laughed. Well, the Sound of Music DVD actually didn't work, so we had to actually put Mamma Mia on. So they were all like, well, you said that on purpose, didn't you? So Sarah then went and bought the Sound of Music DVD here. €36. Yes. Still a bit bitter about it. Still a bit, get shivers at night and everything with it. €36. So don't buy it here, because you can get back in HMV or online for about £4.
Okay, so we are currently now in Salzburg, and right now we are legitimately on a walking tour. We've fallen a little bit behind because I'm too busy taking pictures and videos, but really cool is we saw the nunnery where the real Maria from The Sound of Music was a practicing nun, and apparently that nunnery is where Maria and the captain, the real Maria von Trapp, and the captain got married. So that was really cool.
Also only outside it's the same, an original cat.
Kind of hard about these walking tours is that they go by so fast. You know, you don't really have a chance to just stop. Ooh, look at that though. It's a nice building. It's pretty colors. How did she get special treatment?
So slow.
So on this walking tour, our tour guide has been stressing that we stay pretty much to one side because in Austria, or in Salzburg, there's a lot of bicyclists. And I guess the bicyclists, they get very impatient if you're in their way. So if you ever come here, you have to stay to the one side. Okay, we are now making our way through, I believe this is called Mozart Square. And if you guys didn't know, Mozart is from Salzburg. That's why he's a really big deal here. That's why there's lots of different statues and whatnot dedicated to him here, because this is where he's from. That statue over there, actually, I learned from the tour, was actually made after he died. So I didn't realize this, but Mozart actually passed away at 35 years old, which is like super, super young. And he had 6 kids with his wife, but only 2 of them survived. And the 2 sons actually came back here to Salzburg when that statue was being dedicated to their father. Unfortunately, none of the sons had kids, so the Mozart family line kind of died after them, but yeah. I just got my friends the Mozart balls. So it's chocolate nougat, and then the green in the middle is pistachio nut. Okay, so we just finished the walking tour. I wasn't really able to talk to you guys throughout it because our guide was walking like really fast throughout the entire thing, so that's why it was just a montage, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. But aside from the tour just going by really fast and it just being really hard to capture everything because we were walking behind her, it started to rain. You can see my glasses are kind of wet, so yeah, it started raining and I didn't want my camera out exposed to the water. But I'm currently right now outside of the bathroom. I'm waiting for my mom. Right next door, there's a like sausage specialty store. So I thought I would show you guys the menu. They have the, I don't know how to pronounce any of this, but there are so many different types of hot dogs. Look at that. Or sausages, rather. We're back at University Plaza. I believe that's what this place is called. And we're gonna try some Salzburg pretzels, because they have a lot. So, okay, so that's a regular pretzel.
This is a nut pretzel. Steffi chocolate pretzel.
One formaggio.
Apple pretzel.
That looks good. Piccola pretzel.
Chocolate pretzel.
Ooh, and a nut pretzel.
Chocolate jam.
Ooh, oh my god. Look at that chocolate nut pretzel.
Donut pretzel.
Wow, donut pretzel.
How much is the apple pretzel? $3.45. Huh? $3.45.
$3.45. Poppy
better.
pretzel.
I don't know what's better for you.
Wow.
Bitte. Long bitte.
I'll have the chocolate nut pretzel.
Yes, okay.
Wow, that's so big. Oh my gosh. Ooh, big size.
What are you?
Oh my god, it's so big. In proportion to my head, this is so big. This is my head. This is the pretzel. Look how big. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how big this pretzel is. It's huge. Look at this. Good. This is so big. I'm shocked by how big this is. Definitely a little nicer now because the rain has subsided. Because earlier it was like really starting to rain. So now we could take like a nice little stroll. Even though it's gloomy and gray, but that's Europe. So I'm learning, but Alright, so now we are here in the Christmas market in Salzburg. We're still here. But here in the Christmas market, different booths sell various like Christmas kinds of goods and merchandise. Like you'll have ornaments, you also have baked goods like gingerbread, cookies. It's pretty, it's cute, it's festive. Okay, so I don't know if any of you recognize the top of this fountain, but unfortunately the fountain itself is barricaded because of the Christmas market. But this is the fountain here they showcase in The Sound of Music. I forget which scene it is, but Julie Andrews and the children dance around this fountain in the movie, and it's just right there. There it is.
So let them bring on all their problems. I'll do better than my best.
All right, that ends our Christmas market adventure in Salzburg. We are now walking back to the bus. However, and maybe this is a good thing, but it started to rain again. So yeah, we need to get dry. Okay, I know the lighting is like really bad. I'm gonna try and fix it in editing, but thus ends this travel vlog day of Salzburg here in Austria. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please turn on the notification button down below so you know when a new video from me comes out. Comment down below if you've ever been to Salzburg, if you've ever been to Austria. I'd love to know about your experience here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As always, everything I said was just my own personal thoughts and all my humble opinion. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!